Yeah. Clef.
Boys up north, be coolin'. Subscribe to the channel because we moving. What's up, you guys? Your boy Clef back with another video. Today we're gonna be going to my bro Keyslow semi-pro, or we want to call it Arena League football game. So we about to be going up there today. It's about to be me, KC, and Monte. I'm waiting on them now to get out. Hey, I think it's gonna be fun. This is my first time going, but it's a good thing to be able to see somebody from my city, a brother of mine, to be able to go to a professional level and actually play. So we definitely about to get into that. And hey, it's been a lot of stuff going on. We got the 6ix9ine and the Chief Keef diss, all that. We got to talk about that. We got to definitely get that in this week. And I am very disappointed in Drake, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and say it. Drake, he took an L. I'm sick about it, and I ain't having it, so I might not be listening to Drake for a whole week.
He took one?
Yeah, he took one.
Dang.
What up, man?
Boys up north, be cool. Land, we about to go ahead and get out of here. Like I told y'all, we about to go up to Green Bay, or up north, I would say. So we'll see y'all in a minute.
Shawty bad and she thick, yeah she know that she the shit. I ain't slip, I got grip, bust it fast, girl you lit. You got tits, that ain't shit, check that ass, yeah that's it. Do the splits, I might tip, you know you be on your shit, yeah.
Bounce that ass all in my face. Hit it up, girl.
What's your say?
Mid-May, man.
Monkeys?
Hey, don't talk about minutes, man. Mid-May, man. Shout out to the bros again. Mid-May. Always showing love, always supporting. If y'all need that, please give me a holler in the comments. I could definitely help y'all on getting some of this clothing. Appreciate it, but we about to definitely get into it. I think they about to come out soon. So be ready for a great game, and I'm definitely taking photos and showing videos of my bro Keyslow. Bro, we from the Yak, so you know how we do.
He was with what?
Alright, here we go. My bro coming out. We about to get it. We about to get this money. Here they go. They about to go crazy.
There has been a severe blizzard warning. Brutal damage is expected to the opposing team. Seek shelter immediately.
There go Brody right there, number 16. We got Brody about to play, about to go crazy. He got a bald head now. I got a bald head. But let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. No, you're good. That boy Keyslow about to go get it. Let's go, boy. I'm gonna see you hit somebody. Oh yeah, let's go, boy.
Oh, it's over for him.
It's all in my face. Hit it up, girl, give me bass. You can climb up at your pace. Give me my ones from the safe. I'ma throw more on my knee. I'ma need more to see. Come and talk to me. Ain't talking draw to see, yeah. Climb up at your pace, yeah.
My man rib cage so big. It look like he got 3 lunch boxes underneath his shirt. I'm gone. This man got a whole boombox system underneath his shirt. He got a whole bowl system underneath his shirt. Oh man, my man back brace. He got a back brace on, all type of junk. Then you would have him sitting there. Oh. It is halftime. We just got done talking to the Green Bay Packers rookies that came in this year. Solid conversation, super cool. But the big thing today is that our bro is the only one that scored. So we're waiting to the second half to see what's gonna happen. The score is 6-7. We losing by 1. It's a low-scoring game. It's Arena League. Usually it's way higher than this, but no one's scoring, so we're gonna definitely check it out. I think that he gonna score again, so hopefully we get this dub and we can go home and be happy. But right now, halftime show. I definitely be getting back at y'all. All right.
She gon' make me spend $100,000 every night. I'ma eat the kitty, beat the kitty, call me Tyson. Said she got a friend that's kinda curious, I like it.
So the game is over. Sorry to say, but we lost. But my bro jumped over somebody, scored, and that's all that matters. Hey, I want to appreciate you guys for watching this video. Hey, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, press that notification button. Hey, show love, show mercy, show peace, and I'll see y'all later.
Tell me what you know about them elevators. All I'm trying to do is keep on elevating. I've been up and down, I've been up and down.